I am.
Oh.
This is not common in California.
It doesn't do this in California?
Oh no, goodness no.
You should step out so you have one less layer of glass. Don't go all the way outside, you'll hurt yourself.
Goodness, look, it's snowing.
So you've never seen it in drifts then, where they had to bring out snowplows?
No, I mean, snowplows for rain.
This
That
will flood
sounds.
the streets though.
Look at that. It's like marbles on the
That's
ground.
This is still
We
foreign.
could send it to the Weather Channel.
This is
Oh.
little stuff.
But it's so in Minnesota, it's very. This will happen maybe once a year, every couple years. It's like people would be freaking out. I mean, it seems normal out here, but it would be people freaking out and like. It'd be on the news for days if this happened.
Goodness.
It's like a big.
I keep expecting some of those big branches in that one
To just.
tree that Dan always parks under,
Oh.
spring and fall one of these days, because he
Yeah.
parks right
Yeah.
underneath that tree.
Yeah.
And the other morning, I pull in and a branch falls, but it's a little one and it doesn't hit his truck.
Oh.
And it's like, this is why you shouldn't park there, Dan.
I'm just happy we got rid of those trees. The one
Oh,
that
yeah.
turned into one out back. I know you're still upset about it.
Not upset, just
You know it's
because
an
in the
invasive.
weekends the deer would come up and nibble on it.
You know it's invasive though, right?
The tree was.
That's a Russian walnut. They're an invasive
Oh.
species.
We can.
Most states won't even let you plant them anymore.
Oh, really?
Yeah. South Dakota's like normal is behind.
We were just talking about that.
Oh, another
Wow.
blast.
Wow. Look at how it's starting to jump the curve. There's so much
You gotta
water
film
coming.
that, Fleetfoot.
I've been filming.
Film
Oh,
that curve.
oh wow, look at that. Little slip and slide marbles. Gosh.
Well, you think you're gonna have it rough on your vehicles? That Tepia place is.
Yeah.
All the vans are gonna.
Oh yeah.
It's not gonna do well with the van roof.
But this is little. So the
Yeah.
reality is you sit in the heat and most of them pop right out. Which is what, it wasn't any bigger than this when I got my previous hail damage and I only have 1 or 2 spots. You can tell I've lived here too long, haven't you?
My dad, when he gets hail damage, he just lets it. He's like, I'm not gonna get it again next year.
Exactly. Wait until you're ready to trade it in and then you worry about fixing your vehicle.
We had a friend who lived in Hot Springs, and they would just get pounded down there. Most of the Hot Springs Drive is the worst. Get all that water.
I swear Hermosa gets just
They
slammed.
would be the worst place in South
Oh,
Dakota.
it is pretty white out there. Not a good time to go for a drive.
It is not. Look at that.
You gotta get some of this.
Grab a sample.
You could wait, Bill, until it's done.
What a good scientist. Oh man, look at that. You need a helmet, Bill? Look at that. Here's your hand for scale. That's ridiculous. Oh man. Look at it go.
Oh, you had to keep pushing it up.
Yeah, so
And then fall
what
and
kind of
push it up.
wind would that
Probably
take?
calculated, I guess.
Yeah,
probably.
Stokes Law.
Yeah.
Good old engineering.
Yes, but it's how many times? Good Lord. This is not good.
No, I feel like the rocks are just gonna, they're washing away. Oh my god.
Talk about erosion.
It's pretty clean. It's not too dusty, too
No.
dirty. Yeah.
Wow.
The whole curb thing's crazy.
That's a lot of water.
It is.
Drop into the fall bank of that. Take a stream flow measurement.
Let's take a street ball. All right, Bill.
Critical. Critical.
Oh man.
Critical flow.
Oh.
All you need's the area.
Yeah.
I just assume. Well, you need the area at 2 locations. That's big. Somewhere there's big. Here on the roof.
Look at it, it's gathering up down at the
Yeah. See,
bottom.
now they're bouncing off the car.
That's bad.
No, they're bouncing off the car. So there'll be some dents.
Oh, there's some.
Yeah. But I have been in a hailstorm that took out my windshield.
Oh,
so.
really?
Really?
How big was that?
Well, there was a tornado associated with it.
That could
They really
probably-
weren't that big. They were only like this.
You good? Oh. It's got a.
You got
Alright, there you go.
Yeah, you have
These
to
are pretty
remember.
big.
Boy, they really are. Look at all the rocks that are in the road.
Look at that.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Yeah, look at it. Holy.
Goodness gracious.
Oh, it washed all the
Yeah.
landscaping in there.
Yeah.
Oh, it's scouring it too, isn't
Oh yeah.
Oh,
You can see.
yeah,
That
it's
bottom.
digging in. Yep.
Oh, the poor guy
Look
that
at
did all
that.
that hard work to come back.
This is massive.
Yeah, see how the rain slowed down?
Yeah.
Now you're getting big hail.
Oh my gosh.
Don't get hurt, Bill.
Dang it, Bill.
Tell him no workers' comp for this.
That's right. There is no
getting
workers' comp
bigger.
for this. Look
Oh,
at
That
wow.
one's got the little
See, that's getting
cube
close
inside
to
the cube.
golf ball. So
Really
you
now?
were right.
That's pretty close to golf ball. Look at that one. Cube inside a
Holy
cube.
smokes.
Oh,
No, Joyce, we could have pulled your car into.
Well, really, Brian, just in honor of your. At least it didn't happen during the funeral.
Oh my
oh
God.
goodness.
This is why we need less impervious surfaces.
Washers.
Oh my goodness.
We just need just tarps or carpet. Throw it over a
Well,
car.
they have a
This Jeff
impervious
Jones
pavement.
Yeah.
That is a big.
Yeah.
piece
Look
of
at that
hill.
go.
Because he services.
Look at that.
The
Goodness.
one at the bottom he
Right.
services.
Can you imagine that hitting your
I
car?
think he does one of them.
Well, yes, I can. You can watch it hitting Joyce's car.
Yeah, let's refill.
Alright.
Wow.
Just bouncing off. Yeah, it's
That's just
eating
all
it
runoff
away.
from our roof and our back parking lot.
And yeah, I don't know. I don't think any from his. I don't know if some of his would drain down in that back corner. But
that
yeah.
water is moving.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I'll bet money there are streets that you can't drive down now in this section of town because it's so low.
Oh, I
They
bet.
always flood.
Wow.
Sounds like it's
Right,
letting up, but
we're
it
gonna
doesn't
need
look
to
like
take
it's
a
letting
clip
up.
and we'll send it to
Goodness.
the Weather Channel. And we'll say from the Dakota Water Science Center,
Center.
Rapid City
Yeah, there you go.
filmed this. I bet we get on there.
Oh yeah, we're a federal institution
They'll
collecting data.
They probably know us stuff. We're collecting data.
Yeah, look at
And
us.
we would have collected more, but the West Dakota Water District cut off our funding. That's what we could tell them.
No,
God.
don't.
Oh man.
My idea, though, Joyce, is to start a not-for-profit and get all those people who want the gauges funded. They could contribute. And I even have a name. It's called Supporters of Gauges, which is Soggies. Like a Soggies.
Gosh dang it,
So
Bill.
I figured if who did you say not-for-profits that contribute already? Was it up in North Dakota? They have the
Oh, Ducks Unlimited?
Ducks Unlimited. Got a not-for-profit, right? Oh, there's a lot of rocks in the road.
Yeah, yeah. Have to be careful when we leave. Be like gravel on top of pavement. Not a good thing.
Yeah, you can slide all the way down the hill.
Yeah. All right, guys, it's about time to let up. Oh wait, I remember the radar. Maybe not quite yet.
Oh, it's picking up.
So
It's been 10 minutes
The-
now.
the storm where we got our 7 inches out at Piedmont,
Of hail or rain?
it hailed almost the entire time. It was an hour and a half.
Oh my
we got
gosh.
7 inches.
How long ago?
That hail, that was in 2007, the same time as the Hermosa flood.
Goodness.
It was big enough hail that it took chunks out of the concrete statue in my yard.
Oh my god.
Out of the concrete?
And so everyone got a new roof, everyone got new gutter, half the
man.
neighborhood got new garage doors. Everybody's fences need restain. And then 3 years later, we got a similar hail event. And everybody did it all over again.
Oh my gosh.
Texas picture.
That was
My
that
wife
was
is-
not that many.
Ain't the hail done yet?
Actually, that was probably 8 years later.
Wow.
Because I remember taking time off 2 years ago in August to stain the fence, pressure wash and stain the fence. Because where the hail hit it, it just stripped all the stain out. And so it looked like starburst all over my
Oh my
fence.
gosh.
It was crazy. The previous one didn't do that, so one came more at an angle than the other one.
Oh.
It's just eating
lovely.
away.
Yeah, it's a mess. He's
Right?
gonna have to come and scoop it all up and put it back in.
Gosh.
Who would have thought? So, you know, you see a lot of people who will put big rocks at strategically placed locations. That might be one where they need some bigger rocks to kind
some
of.
riprap.
Yeah, the big. Yes.
basically.
Yeah, it's landscaping with riprap sorts.
Oh, that sounds good. Alright, well,
I should go get a big scoop of that.
oh, this. Yeah, now it's lighting up. So yeah, that was about 10 minutes.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, so we're good.
But it's still awfully white.
Yeah, that's
That's a trick. It's still white.
Yeah.
It hasn't cleared.
See, you could water your lawn for a year with all that water inside instead of.
You can get some iced tea with all this hail.
So you gotta take a picture of that, and you can talk about it in your fluvio processes class.
Oh, yeah.
Figured all the how that's
Goodness.
deposited and where the deposits are.
Yeah. We could take a picture of that. See,
I told
post.
you that, Jen, for the class I had to teach. That's what I did. I went and got some kitty litter. We went out